Some of the best kitchen ideas aren't found on Pinterest. They're hidden inside professionally designed display kitchens. These are the layouts, storage solutions, and design details that instantly make a kitchen feel more custom and high-end. In this video, I'm sharing 7 ideas worth stealing from some of my favorite kitchen displays. Okay, so these are the 7 things I like the most about display. This is one of my favorite displays here at the showroom. So I'm gonna show you guys what they are and why I like them so much. So let's start off by showing you the big drawers. Now, what I really like about these big drawers is this is a custom design that we did here. You can't get these drawers that big. So when you have these big drawers, you can basically put a lot more stuff. Just don't load it up so much because the weight alone could break the drawer. These drawers are designed for about 75 pounds of stuff you could put in there, but still, the bigger it is, watch out with the weight. But I do like it because it's just so big and you're able to just put all your stuff in there. The second thing that I really enjoy in this display is the floating shelves. I really like the way these floating shelves look here, especially on the walnut look. They're good basically to kind of showcase different things. So if you have nice pictures, you have nice china you want to put on your kitchen and display it, floating shelves is a good option. And if you want to step it up to the next level on floating shelves, add that lighting underneath. Well, the way they do the lighting is they do a channel here and then they run it through the back so you don't have to see all the wires. So add lighting, you won't regret it on the floating shelves. And if you want to get even more creative like we did in the background, do like a shiplap. Shiplap is very cool, it's not that expensive. You put it in the backsplash, you kind of just lay it out, then paint it, and it looks amazing. Let me show you another feature that I really like is the corner in this display here. So now in the top, check this out. You got full access in there. So a lot of people always complain like, oh, I got the dead corner, I can't reach anything on the side. This option here gives you a lot of room. It's basically an open concept kind of look on the top of your cabinet. You basically get to put stuff all the way in the corner. You don't forget what you have in the corner as opposed to having that dead corner where you just can't see stuff. Great option. So that's a cool feature. If you're collecting ideas for your own remodel, my ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide will help you turn inspiration into a smart plan. It breaks down what's realistic at every budget level from $5,000 to $50,000, so you can prioritize the upgrades that matter most. You'll find the guide linked down in the description. The next cool feature that I really enjoy is this under cabinet lighting. As you can see right now, the lighting works perfect on this butcher block, makes it look really nice. Under cabinet lighting elevates your kitchen to another level. It makes it look expensive and it looks nice. Really love under cabinet lighting, so don't forget to add cabinet lighting. Now this next feature is one of my favorites. Definitely my favorite here in this display are these drawers in the corner. These drawers are very cool. Everybody thinks they're only 21 inches. No, these bad boys are 24 inches in depth. So you get that full clearance all the way back. Real cool. Basically, you have 3 drawers deep in there instead of putting a corner lazy Susan where it just gets annoying of things fall off in the back and you forget what you have back there. You do spin it, you see some cool things, but drawers are amazing. I love the drawers. Next feature here, which looks like a wine cooler, which it really isn't. What we ended up doing here is that we put a walnut interior cabinet and we added a metal door in front of it. Makes it look like a wine cooler, but it really isn't. Cool feature about this is if you can see the inside lighting, we basically integrated the lighting inside the cabinet, make it seamless look in there, and check this out. Custom made rollouts for your bottles of wine. This is very cool. So if you don't want to put a wine cabinet in there, you don't want to spend, I don't know, $1,500 on the wine cooler, you could put a cabinet in there, makes it look real cool. Nice little glass doors in there. Next feature that I really enjoy, since we are wine drinkers, we have this cabinet here where it has the wine on the inside. It's walnut, and then this is another cool feature that we really enjoyed that we did here. Check out that interior. This is a walnut interior. You got the walnut inside, you got the walnut shells with the glass. Now that is a nice elevator feature. And then you have the lighting on the top, comes all the way down. So that's a cool feature. Think about doing that. A tower on your counter with glass, walnut interior with paint. The double two-tone paint comes out looking amazing. This is why this is one of my favorite showrooms displays here at the kitchen store. If this helped you find ideas to elevate your kitchen design, the next video you should watch is how to make your kitchen look expensive on a budget. I'll link it right here and I'll see you there.